In a remote village, where every house had a different flag flying on its roof, there lived an elderly artist named Baba Jan. Baba Jan dedicated his life to world peace and unity. One day, he said to himself, "I will create a painting that will show the whole world that we are one." He took a large canvas and began to create heart-shaped flags of some of the world's most important countries: the United States, Israel, Pakistan, Palestine, and India. When he joined these hearts together, they became a beautiful flower, the center of which was expressing the common feelings of all. Baba Jan gave each flag its own history, its own significance. The American flag told the story of freedom. The Israeli flag told the story of hope. The Pakistani flag told the story of faith. The Palestinian flag told the story of struggle. And the Indian flag told the story of unity in diversity. But when they all became one flower, they all sang the same song together. "We are all one." This image became